Product attributes are tangible or intangible characteristics that describe a product and are used by customers to make a purchase decision. Examples of product attributes include color, size, style, cut, and material. Different products have different attributes that are relevant to them. For example, while buying jeans, customers care about their cut. While buying cars, they care about the attribute country of origin. As a merchant, you should be able to identify which attributes are important or relevant to the product you are uploading on your system, and make sure you assign those attributes to those products. This is useful in many different ways. For example, you will be using product attributes while analyzing your sales reports to know what is selling and what is not selling. For example, instead of looking at t-shirts as a whole in your reports, you will be able to tell which particular color of t-shirts is selling and which ones are slow moving. Then the next time you do your assortment planning, you use this analysis by attributes and build your new assortment based on which attributes performed well for you in previous seasons. For e-commerce stores, product attributes are also directly used in the shopping experience. When you upload a product to the store, you assign it different attributes that are relevant to the customer. And then you can use this information to let customers filter the products on the front end of the store by their attributes. They can also use it while placing the order by choosing the specific attributes such as size and color while adding the product to cart. Product attributes can also increase your visibility in organic search results. As we said before, the cut is an important attribute when it comes to shopping denim. So typically, when a customer performs a search for jeans, they will specify which cut they are looking for and which color. For example, blue boyfriend jeans. So if you have correctly assigned those attributes to your product listings and their images, you will be able to show up in organic search results for this product, which can bring you free organic traffic.